Hi, this is Fizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage who can send you friend requests on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. By default, all users can send others user friends requests on Facebook. However, Facebook allows users to change settings so that only friends of their existing friends can send them friend requests. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course we have to open our Facebook. Now you can tap on your profile or the three lines over here. You can scroll down. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. You can scroll down. There is an option on audience and visibility, how people find and contact you. You can tap on that. Now, you can see on your friends, there is an option who can send you friend requests. My default setting is everyone. You can tap on here on settings. Now you can choose friends of your friends. Friend like this. So now only friends of your friends who can send you friend requests. So that is how to manage who can send you friend requests on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!